Did you know that business analyst roles are expected to grow by around 11% globally over the next decade, which is much faster than average for most professions? And in the UK alone, the average business analyst salary ranges from £45,000 to £75,000 per year. Yet many professionals still don't know how powerful this career path can be. In this video, I'll explain how you can start your career as a business analyst with 3 months roadmap. But this 3-month roadmap isn't easy unless you learn to leverage the tools. Today, I'll be sharing the cheat codes I use as a lead business analyst. If you're new here, I am Sarika from Your Knowledge Buddy. I currently work as a lead business analyst at one of the largest tour operators in Europe, and mentoring and coaching professionals has always been a big part of my role. Over the years, I have worked with many business analysts, project managers, aspiring BAs, and one of the biggest challenges I see repeatedly is this. People spend too much time on research, documentation, and creating presentations instead of focusing on what really matters, solving the business problems and delivering the value. For example, business analysts often spend hours on researching background information for projects, creating requirement documents, preparing stakeholder presentations, analyzing data and reports, and summarizing insights for decision makers. And sometimes what should take 30 minutes ends up taking 3 to 4 hours. While you're still pulling all-nighters just to align icons and slides, others have already finished writing the business strategy. This slows down productivity and leaves very little time for strategic thinking, stakeholder communication, and actual problem solving, which is where business analysts should ideally focus, right? That's exactly when I started exploring AI tools that could help automate some of this very heavy work. And that's when I came across this AI tool called as Skywork. And honestly, this is one of the most powerful AI tools I have used recently, especially for professionals who spend a lot of time doing research analysis and creating structured outputs. So, what is Skywork? Skywork is an all-in-one AI platform that helps you research topics deeply, create professional documents, build visually stunning presentations, convert ideas into structured output fast. Skywork is available for free, and with subscription, you get unlimited access. No more credit anxiety to worry about. So let's have a quick demo on how Skywork works. And once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. You do have option of general, option of entering your prompt. Then you also have option of generating images, documents, slides, chat, or sheets, and also create a video. As you scroll down, you do have some templates of trending projects, which you can see here. You can take inspiration or you can use the existing template. For this presentation, as you know, I want to create a detailed roadmap for people who want to get started with business analysts. For me, this mode is very important, which is the slides. I want to generate a slides. Here you have two options. Either you can give a prompt of what you want to create, or you do have option of uploading your document. So say you have made some rough notes, you can upload your document from your local machine or from the cloud if you want to upload it here. And then here, this is the important feature which I want to show you, which is about the Banana 2 Pro feature here. And this is a detailed presentation which is going to create it based on the prompt or the document which you upload. With Nano Banana 2, Skywork automatically creates a full presentation structure, generates content-rich slides, adds cinematic visuals and layouts, builds charts, frameworks, and infographics. This is not a basic slide generator. These are client-ready, boardroom quality presentations. Now here on the end, you see there are different modes which is available. For example, the Pro mode or the free mode. So Pro mode is about the deep integration of search and design, enabling clear viewpoint and visually polished and professional slides. I use it because it gives me really rich presentation with the different designs and the graphs that I really need. And I want my slides to look really good. So I use always a Pro mode. What I'm going to do now for this demo, I have already prepared a prompt. So here you can see, create a detailed presentation for business analysts so that I can train freshers, and this will be the roadmap, also add some interview preparation. I've just written some random notes. Now, the moment I will give this prompt, Skywork will understand the audience, my context, and also the kind of work which I want them to pull out in terms of presentation. So I'm going to, after giving the prompt, what I have to do is just click on enter. And I had already explained the Pro mode, so I'm going to just give it enter. Now you will have to wait for a few minutes before Skywork starts working on the prompt and generating the slides. Now on the right, you can see it has already started generating some of the images. So here, this is the preview. And on the left, you can see it is still generating my detailed slides. So I know this is what it will look like. You can check. For example, what will be in month 1, which is about developing the BA mindset, followed by development frameworks. Month 2 about illustration and analytical thinking. And it's still generating the remaining bits. Here you can see generating. Please wait. Now, the task is complete. Here you see we are ready for new requests. Now, why Skywork is different? What makes Skywork different from other AI tools is it thinks like a researcher, writes like a consultant, designs like a professional presentation designer. You don't need to open PowerPoint separately. You don't need to copy paste from ChatGPT either. And you don't need to search for templates because everything is done inside one platform. So what you can do, you have option to download. I'm going to just click on this. You'll be given various options. You can download in the PowerPoint presentation or the PDF or HTML and even Google Slides. So I'm just going to click on download of PowerPoint. And at the top, you can see the message download started. So just allow a couple of minutes and your presentation will be ready. So anybody who wants to get started with Business Analyst, you can reach out to me at yourknowledgebuddy@gmail.com. You will need at least 3 months of dedicated time to learn this with me. And it is not a group session. It is a one-to-one session and I'll be your mentor for it. So this is the outline of the 3-month Business Analyst career roadmap for anyone who wants to get started with Business Analyst. So here you can see this is the next slide about the month 1 where we're talking about the SDLC followed by the illustration and analytical thinking. I really like how it is being done. Then next is month 2, which is all about core documents and visual modeling. And month 2, they have also mentioned about the data analysis and agile collaboration, followed by month 3, where it is all about the portfolio development and project execution. I quite like it. Wow, I'm going to love it. This is definitely good. Interview preparation, as you know, it's all about the STAR technique. I really love this presentation in terms of how it has explained the situation, the task, the action, and the results. Followed by some of the technical questions, case study analysis, because I did mention in the prompt, if you remember, also give me some of the interview questions and answers so that I can prepare my students according to it. So I really like it, the questions and the answers and the structure of the STAR technique, which is mentioned. And then the final preparation and the elevator pitch, which every student should be ready with. And that's all I believe, which is a pretty good roadmap. Now, if you're wondering who should use Skywork, let me tell you, Skywork is perfect for students, business analysts, consultants, founders, researchers, managers, content creators, or anyone who makes up presentations or documents. If your work involves thinking, structuring, and presenting ideas, Skywork is just perfect for you. Now, my final thoughts. Forget Gamma and Manus. Skywork is available for free and with a subscription, you can enjoy unlimited use. Click the link in the video description to get a 20% discount on your subscription. And if you hit any bottlenecks while using it, leave a comment and let me know. I'll pick a few representative questions to address in a dedicated Q&A video. All the best, guys.